Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. And today we're in Atco, New Jersey, also known as Waterford, New Jersey. And I have my great agent here, Ken Cirillo. Ken is the listing agent on this property at 1056 Atsion Road. And Ken's gonna give us a little bit more detail about the property and tell us about that.
Well, thank you, Joe. We are looking at 1056 Atsion Road. We've got a beautiful 3.24 acre lot. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a bonus room. And we've got a half-wooded lot that you can enjoy at the end of the road.
And it's got 3 to 4 bedrooms, right? You could use the so-called 4th bedroom the way that you want. Maybe you use it as a bedroom, maybe you use it as a family living space. And you just have a lot of options when you have this kind of bi-level home. 2,380 square feet. Let's go in and let's take a look. Atsion Road, you can't really get more rural than this property. It's on 3.24 acres and you're at the very end of Waterford Township. There's only a couple houses on this street, very little traffic. And if you really want serenity and quiet, this could be the perfect property for you. I'm in the family room and you can see that it has glorious hardwood floors all throughout here. They're absolutely honey brown, golden, gleaming, really, really nice. That goes into the dining area and also all the way down the hallway. You have a dinette area where you could have a table, seats 4 to 6 really, really easily. And you have a glorious, super elevated patio. And this is expansive here. It's got a great view of your backyard. It goes back 615 feet. So it's just a tremendous amount of property. You have this nice clearing area. The kids could play, you could have animals run around. And the deck is 2-tiered, which makes it really, really nice, very visually pleasing. This property has a beautiful kitchen. It's got the granite countertops, maple cabinetry, crown moldings, and the crown moldings go all throughout the first floor of the property. Have this nice little furniture grade countertop, and you have stainless steel appliances. Tile floor, really nice condition. Just move right in, start cooking, good to go. Down the hallway, more hardwood floors. You have a full bath with a bathtub. There's 3 total full baths in this property. So 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. The bedrooms all have the glorious hardwood floors. We'll call this bedroom number 3. Property also has the Anderson style windows. This one we'll call bedroom number 2 on the top floor. Hardwood floors, paint palette, nice condition. This would be the up master. More hardwood floors, more Anderson windows. And you can see how large this room is. Can easily accommodate a king-size bed, nightstands. You have a closet, plenty of shelving, racks, everything you need. It's got Anderson windows. And check out this bathroom. Lovely flooring. It's got the heavy-duty glass doors, glass surround. The tile, that's magnificent. The 12 by 24s, really in tremendous shape. Going downstairs, you could call this the 4th bedroom down. That will be debatable based on how the septic system is rated. So we might just call this a bonus room, but the current owner is using it as a bedroom. You can see how nice this could be for an adolescent or another family member where they have easier access. Tile floor, everything nice and neat. Egress windows. There's a large family room down here on the lower level. Fireplace. And you have another slider egress that's underneath your balcony. And it's really in excellent shape. And the flow of the property is nice. So continuing on the lower level, more tile floor. You have these large tiles everywhere. The entire lower level is tiled, pro done. This room, you could use it as a utility room. You could put a pool table in here. Could be another playroom, whatever you wanted to use it for. This way, you have a large 2-car garage. Very large in here. Looks to be about 20 by 20, maybe a little bit deeper than that. This is your 150 amp electrical service, and this is the service for your Generac generator. So you have the backup generator if we lose power, and that's natural gas powered. That's on the other side of the house. This lower level also has its own full bathroom. So in here you have the stand-up shower, vanity, everything you need, and behind you got your washer and dryer as well stacked. And behind these doors is your HVAC system. The HVAC system, what you're seeing right now, is a natural gas furnace and central air that was installed less than 2 years ago. It's practically new. It's going to be all yours. So in this section, we also have a lower level walkout, and this is going to take us to the north side of the property. And you walk right out to this expansive palette of nature, quiet, hawks flying overhead, and just absolute beauty here. You have your central air condenser, which is it's actually less than 2 years old. Got your well water right here. Got the elevated deck, kind of saw that from the other view. Looks like it's in really excellent shape. And this is what everybody really wants. You got your Generac, your power goes out, it automatically kicks on via natural gas. Got power when nobody else has power, when things go rough. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. And if you absolutely love what we're doing here, Kenny and I, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you would be the first to know when properties like this come out in South Jersey. It gives you a big advantage. And I gotta tell you, the market's really heating up here in the middle of November, which is really, really unusual. Kenny, what did you love about this property?
One of the things I loved about this property, Joe, was the privacy. It's at the end of the road. It's so quiet. You've got woods in the back, you know, you could, for the nature lovers or the hunter aficionados, whatever you want.
And it's got 3 to 4 bedrooms, right? You could use it as the sellers used it as a 4th bedroom. Could be classified via certain criteria as a 3-bedroom. Whatever way it is, you could make it your own. And it's got 2,380 square feet. And as Kenny was saying, 3.24 acres. And it feels like you're on the edge of the world. No traffic back here, very small amounts of traffic trickle through. And you have abundance of nature, wildlife, and fresh air, and complete quiet. If you want more information on this property, click the description below. Kenny's phone number is right up here. You can give him a call, and he could set up a private showing for you if you're a buyer. And then if you need any properties listed in South Jersey, Kenny is an excellent choice amongst all the other agents out there. And as always, Joe Wiessner and Ken Cirillo, we want to see you at the settlement table.
Thanks, guys.